How to use Google Calendar for time management. So hello everyone, so in today's video I will show you guys on how to use Google Calendar for managing your schedules. So without further ado, let us begin. So the first thing that you're gonna have to do first is just simply search out for Google Calendar on your web browser, or you could just simply download the app on your phone. So once you're done searching up Google Calendar, just simply click on the first link that will pop up. Afterwards, you'll be redirected here. So if you're not signed in to Google Calendar, there will usually be a prompt that will say that you should sign in, but currently right now I'm already signed in. So so the first thing that we're gonna do first is to set some dates right here in Google Calendar. So to do that, what you want to do is to just simply go to create right here, and then from here you can create an event, a task, or appointment schedule. So we'll go over each of these things that you can create. So first, let's just try to create an event. So just click on that. There you go. Afterwards, just simply add the title of your event. So for example, I'll just name it as my event. There you go. You can also change the time right here. So you can set the date right here as well. So for example, I'll set it for June 19th. There you go. And then you can set the time as here, right here as well. So for example, I'll set it around 1:30 p.m. and then I'll make it until, let's say, 5:30 p.m. There you go. Or what you can simply do is just simply make the event, make it all day. You can also change the time zone if you want to. So you can change the time zone right here as well. There are a lot of time zones that you can choose from right here. So if you're done customizing your time zone, just simply click on OK. You can also make it repeat the event or not. So you can make it repeat daily, weekly, monthly, annually, every weekday, or you can simply set custom dates for it to repeat. Afterwards, you can also add guests right here. So you can just simply add their emails right there if you want guests to be invited to this event. Then you can also add a Google Meet reference or Google Meet link right here as well, which will allow users to join the Google Meet and where you can have meetings. You can also copy the link right here as well, and you can also change some video call options. Next is add the location. So just simply add the location of your event right here. Then you can also add a description right here for your event. So you can add what the event will be, and then you can also add some Google Drive attachments. So if you have files, videos, or photos that you want to share from Google Drive, you can add them right here as well. And then afterwards, you can also set some other details right here, like changing the color of that event, changing the status. So if you're busy and you can't go to the event, you can set it to busy, and if you're free, you can also set it to free that you can go to the event. You can also change the visibility of this event right here, so you can change it into public or private. And then afterwards, you can also let Google Calendar notify you 30 minutes before the event, or 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 1 hour, or 1 day before the event. Or you can set custom times and where you want Google Calendar to remind you for this event. So there are also some more options right here that you can view as well, which is kind of the same thing. It's just they just made it bigger. So once you're done, just simply click on save. So there you go. So as you can see, after saving, we already have our event right here, Thursday, June 19th, and then here's the time right here. So then let's try to add some others. We can add the task right here as well. So I'll just name this as task 1. You can also add a description for this task right here, and then I'll just change the date for this one. I'll set it to June 21. There you go. Let's say I want to repeat this daily, and then make video will be the description of my task. So there you go. Once you're done, just simply click on save, and there you go. So you can see we now have our task added right here. Next is to try to add an appointment schedule, just like that. There you go. Add the title of your appointment schedule. So I'll just add doctor's appointment as an example. Doctor's appointment, just like that. And then just set the appointment duration right here. So how long is your appointment going to be? So for example, I'll just set mine to 2 hours. Afterwards, you can set the dates right here when your appointment is going to start. So general availability, so set when you're regularly available for appointments. So you can repeat it weekly or does not repeat, or set custom weeks or days and where you want to repeat these appointments. So and then next is the available schedules. So again, this is where you're gonna set the dates or the time and where you're available within these days. So for example, Monday you can change the time and when you're gonna be available. Let's say 1 p.m. and then let's make it until 3 p.m. just like that. Same goes with the other days, so feel free to customize these to your liking. So yeah. And then let's say you are unavailable for the whole day. What you can do is you just simply click on this button right here. There you go, and then it will now be unavailable. And then if you want to bring it back, just simply click on this plus sign right there, and then there you go. And then what you can also do is add another period to this day. So let's say you're available around 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. and let's say 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. and then you can also add another time and when you're going to be available, like 12 p.m. to 2 p.m. just like that. And then what you can also do is copy these times as well. So you can copy these times to all the times that you have added just like that. So yeah. Next is you can also change the time zones right here as well. You can also set some scheduling windows right here, so you can limit the time range that appointments can be booked, maximum time in advance that an appointment can be booked, and minimum times before the appointment start that it can be booked. So you can customize these to your liking. Next is adjust availability, so you can change a date's availability right here. And then you can also book or some appointment settings right here, like the buffer time, the maximum bookings per day, and guest permissions. Then lastly is the calendars. So in here you can check the calendars for availability. So yeah, and then once you're done customizing your appointment, what you can do is just simply click on next. There you go. Afterwards, you'll be redirected here, so you can add like a booking page and photo. A booking page, photo, and a name for your appointment. So you can do so right here. You can also set the location right here as well, or you can do a Google Meet video conferencing if your appointment's online, or you can do phone call, in-person meeting just by setting the location, or none, which will be specified later. Next is description, so just simply add the description of your appointment right here. Next is booking form, so you can add a booking form right here. So when people are going to book for your appointment, they will need to add their first name, last name, and email address. And then if you want them to add more, you can do so right here, like a phone number. You can add custom stuff if you want to. You can also set it to required or not required. Next are payments. So in here you can set payments right here as well. So you can collect advance payments through Stripe, set and show your cancellation policies. But for this one, you will need to upgrade to the premium plan. And then next are booking confirmations and reminders. So calendar invitation. You and the person who made the appointment will get a confirmation email with a calendar invitation. So yeah. And then once you're done finishing the details for your appointment, just simply click on save. And then there you go. As you can see, we now have our appointment right here within our calendar. So yeah, there you go. Next, let's move on to the other tools right here at the top. So in here you can change the months right here, or you can change the weeks just by clicking on these arrows. So you can move it to the next week, a previous week, and etc. Next is the search. So in here you can search stuff within your calendar. So you can search the events or appointments you've made, just like that. So you can search up things right here within your calendar. So for example, I'll just search up my event. There you go. So you can see we can now search stuff within here. Okay, let's just go back. Next is the help or support area right here, where you can view some additional things that you can do that you can read in order to understand Google Calendar more. Next are the settings. So in here you can change the settings right here as well. So you can change the language and region, the time zone, the world clock, event settings, notification settings, view options, events from Gmail, keyboard shortcuts, and make it offline mode. And also add a calendar right here, and some other details as well. And then what you can also do is change the appearance of your Google Calendar. So you can change it to dark mode if you want to. You can also change the information density, so if you want it to be responsive to your screen, or make it compact, just like that. So yeah, feel free to customize the appearance. Next is trash. So in here you will see all the deleted events within your calendar. And then you can also print your calendar as well. And then you can also get add-ons for your calendar. Afterwards, we also have this button right here that will allow you to filter or show on what your calendar will look like. So you can set it to like a yearly calendar, a monthly calendar, a weekly calendar, or a daily calendar. So yeah, so feel free to customize these to your liking. So for me, I'll just make it as a monthly calendar. There you go. Afterwards, you can also switch between calendars and tasks. So if, let's say you have tasks added right here within your Google Calendar, you can switch so as well, just like that. And then there you go. We now have a task section right here, and where we can add tasks. So yeah, let's just go back to the calendar, and then there you go. And then when you click on any of the events that you added or appointments you added, let's say I'm going to click on this doctor's appointment, you will see this small window right here that will allow you to open the booking page, share it, and edit it as well. You can also delete it if you want to. So yeah, same goes with the other events right here, just like this one. You can invite people right here. You can also edit it, delete it, email the event details, and some other options right here like print it, duplicate it, publish event, or change the owner. Same goes with the tasks. When you click on it, you can edit your tasks right here and some holidays as well. So yeah, and then after that, you are pretty much done. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use Google Calendar for time management. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.